Does your child snore? Then this is for you. That's not something kids just grow out of. There are a few subtle signs I look for all the time. If your child is breathing through their mouth instead of their nose, especially during the day, that's a big one. Another is tongue posture. Ideally, the tongue should rest up on the roof of the mouth and not sitting low. And consistent snoring, that's not something that resolves on its own. These are all really common, and most parents don't realize they can point to an airway issue. The good news is, catching it early makes a big difference. If you're noticing any of these signs, it's worth taking a closer look.